Hi, I'm Kathy, and I'm the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. I hope it becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step art lessons. Hey, if you've ever thought it might be fun to draw yourself as a Lego, I'd love to show you how. I even have some advice on how to make yourself look 3D. Let's get started. The supplies you're going to need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. This tutorial also comes with a page of hair samples, which is on page 3 of the PDF download. Before you begin to draw, it's really helpful to take a minute to create some guides on your paper. You just need to fold and crease your paper in half in both directions. You'll end up with lines that match my tutorial, and they really do help you see where to draw. Step number 1. The Lego head starts with a kind of rounded rectangle shape that's about this big. If you make marks for the top and bottom and sides first and then connect them, you'll have a better chance of it being the size you need. Step number 2. After the head is drawn, start the body with a very short neck and a line for the top of the shirt. The shirt is going to be about this long, and it angles out to be about this wide on the sides. I'm going to plan with some dots again and then go back and draw the sides. The shoulders are kind of rounded, but the shirt corners can be pointy like I'm drawing here. Oh, I just realized I skipped over the face drawing step. Oh well, it's pretty easy to do, just 2 circles and a line for the mouth. Step number 3. To plan the pants, measure down from the center for the middle, then draw the right leg that is just 3 straight lines. Afterwards, draw the same 3 lines for the left side of the pants. Step number 4. To draw the right arm, I'm going to start with some little lines that tell me where the shoulder, elbow, and the sleeve end. Then I can just go back and connect them with one smooth line. Afterwards, the same little lines or dots could be drawn on the left side and then connected in the same way. Step number 5. Now come those kind of trademark Lego hands. Start with 2 small lines for the wrist and then make an outlined C shape below it. To add some dimension to the hand, add a small curve inside like this. When one hand is drawn, then do the same for the other side. Start with the wrist and then add a C shape below it. Then you can go back and add that little curved line inside too. Step number 6. To finish off the body, all you need to do is draw a horizontal line across the pants that kind of look like a belt, and then add 2 lines at the bottom of the legs for shoes. Very simple. Step number 7. Okay, it's time to draw the hair. This sheet, which is included in my download, should really help you out. There are 4 rows of examples, so hopefully one is close enough to your hair to give you an idea on what to do. I'm going to draw my hair with a side part and make it about chin length. Be sure to make the hair bigger than your head by making the outside lines a little further away from it. Lego hair should look like it has its own shape and not just something that's painted on top. Once your hair looks the way you want, be sure to erase the lines of the head that your hair now covers up. A few lines inside the hair will give it some extra texture and allow for some shading in a moment too. The last step is to draw some kind of background. I'm going to make mine pretty simple with just some grass lines, but please feel free to get as creative as you want. Step number 8. It's now time to get out that black marker and start tracing all of those pencil lines. Now, if you take just a minute to run an eraser over any extra pencil lines that are still showing, your drawing will look a lot neater when you're finished. Here's a tip now for coloring in that Lego head. Many boxes of crayons do have 2 shades of yellow these days, a golden one and a light one. Start with the golden crayon and press hard to make an edge to the head, and then also use it on that little space inside the hands. Then, when you're done, switch to the lighter yellow crayon for the rest of the face. Continue pressing really hard to get lots of yellow color on your paper. Okay, on to coloring the clothes. I'm going to start with red for the shirt. This time I'm not trying to press super hard, just kind of medium. To add some dimension to the hand, add a small curve inside like this. Continue adding more red color in the bottom corner of the shirt and then on the other sleeve as well. See what I mean? Instant shadow. Now the same needs to happen with the pants. Choose a color and fill it all in with a medium kind of pressure. Now go back with that same blue crayon and make some areas a little darker by pressing a little harder. Next, choose a color for your shoes. Mine are going to be black. Finally, the last area to color is the hair. Mine is going to be a medium shade of brown. Now for the background. Mine is just a simple green grass, but if this is a portrait of you, it would be fun to make it a little more personal too. I just recommend doing something with the background, even if it's a solid color. Well, alright then, it looks to me like this Lego self-portrait drawing is done. I hope you learned how easy it is to make shadows with crayons. All you have to do is pay attention to how hard you press with them. That's it. You can always find more projects like this on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a Minecraft selfie and how to draw a Baby Yoda. Thanks so much for coming, and I hope to draw with you again real soon.